Letter writing. Imagine that you are Pawan Pooja Orad, residing at 102 Prestige Chambers, Shivpuri Road, Solapur 420003. Attempt any one letter based on the given situation. Schools celebrate APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary as Reading Inspiration Day on 15th October. A 1. Formal letter. Write a letter to an educationist, Mr. Anil Tripathi from your city, inviting him to address the students on the above mentioned occasion, or a 2. Informal letter. Write a letter to your cousin, Neetude Neelish, making her him aware of the importance of reading. Solution Formal Letter 102, Prestige Chambers, Shivpuri Road, Solapur 420003. 10th October 2024. Mr. Anil Tripathi, Narayan Colony, Solapur 420005. Educationist. Subject Invitation to grace our Reading Inspiration Day. Function as chief guest. Respected sir, it is with great admiration that we acknowledge your contributions to the field of education in our city. The principal, teachers, and students of our school truly appreciate your dedication to promoting knowledge and learning. We are celebrating Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary as Reading Inspiration Day on 15th October. We cordially invite you to grace this occasion as the chief guest and address our students on the importance of reading and education. Your presence and insights will be a great source of inspiration for them. The function will begin at 10 a.m. and conclude by 1 p.m., followed by lunch. Along with your enlightening words, there will be a short cultural program, including music and poetry recitations. It will be an honor for us to have you at the event, and we sincerely hope you will accept our invitation. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Pawan Pooja Arade, Head Student Representative.